Welcome 8th class in your moral science class, and today we will read a new story, and the title of this story is The Wise Son. In this story, there was a great king in India. One day he went for hunting with the prince, commander and two guards. They passed the whole day in chasing animals. Soon it grew dark and they realized that they have lost their way. So the king sent the guards to search the way out of the forest. The guards went away, but they didn't return for almost 1 hour. The king asked his commander to go and search him. The commander went and he also didn't return back. Now the prince decided to go and search the way, but he too did not return back. Finally, the king went to search for his fellows and the way out of the forest. He moved a little in the forest, hither and thither. After that, he heard a faint sound of man. He moved in the direction of man and he asked him why did he live in the dense forest. The son said that he is blind, so it does not make any difference that the place is dark or not. But the son called him the king. So, hearing this word, he became surprised because he did not disclose his identity. So, how could he know him? Then the king asked the reason of it. The son said that he can recognize a person from his speech, as before him he could recognize prince, commander, and the guards. After that, the son told the king the way to go out of the forest. The king was amazed to see the wisdom of a son. Thus, students, you can understand a wise person can win over any situation with the help of his wisdom. And the thought of this chapter is wisdom finds its way in difficult situations. So, you have to note down this thought in your moral science copy. And here are exercises and question answers. Now, we will solve this. The first sentence is a wise person can win over any situation. So this sentence is correct. Second, the king and his fellows lost their way in the forest. This one is also correct. Next is many sons lived in the middle of the dense forest. This is false. Next is no one returned back to the king after finding the way. This is also correct. Last is the son was blind but wise. This is also correct. Now we will match these persons. The king was mature and polite. The prince was educated, ignorant and impatient. Commander was educated, having authority in the boys. Guards were rude. Okay, now we will see the answer of these questions. As the first question is, who went to the forest with the king? So the answer is prince, commander and two guards went to the forest with the king. Second question is, what did the king and his fellows do in the forest the whole day? So the answer is, the king and his fellows passed the whole day in chasing animals. Next is, who went first to search the way out of the forest? So the answer is, the guards went first to search the way out of the forest. Next is, what did the king hear in the forest? The king heard a faint sound of man in the forest. Last is, how did the son identify the prince? The son identified the prince by his arrogant and impatient speech. So students, these are the question answers and exercises you have to note down on your moral science notebook. We will meet again with a new chapter. Till then, you have to stay home, stay safe. Thank you.